Now, to improve the user experience, we're going to highlight the selected genre. This one is super easy and we can knock it out in a couple of minutes. So we should have the app component pass the selected genre to our genre list. And in this component, when we render the button, we'll set the font weight dynamically. So if you're rendering the selected genre, we make the font bold, otherwise we render it as normal. So here we need to add a new prop called selected genre, which can be a genre object or null. Next, we add it here. And then when we render the button, we set the font weight to an expression. Here we say the genre that we're rendering. If it has the same ID as the selected genre.id, now here we need to use optional chaining because the selected genre can be null. Now, if this expression is true, then we'll render the button as bold, otherwise normal. Now we should pass the selected genre to this component. So back in the app component, here we set selected genre to selected genre. Now let's test our application. So I'm going to select indie, adventure, RPG, beautiful. So let's make another commit and say highlight the selected genre.